Okay, Thomas is running on battery power for the first time. You can see Thomas's eyes moving. We got the batteries all hooked up. Let me come around the other side. So there's two 12-volt Caterpillar, 210 amp hour batteries. Should be able to ride a long time. I got a 30 and a 20. 30 is for the drive controller and the motor, and the 20 is for auxiliary stuff, like there's a power inverter in there that converts the 12 volt to 110. So looking at the configuration, you can see that our orange wire, which is the 30 amp, comes over. That's 24 volts with our batteries. There's the ground. You can see they're connected in series. And this orange is going to get like black stripes on it or red stripes or something. Just a jumper. And then the red wire, that's our 12 volt, supplying our inverter. That gives us 110 volts to run our little steam generator. There's also a 24 volt battery charger. I got to finish hooking that up. And my controller went bad. It only runs one direction. So, but here's the neat thing. Let me see if I can stand my phone up back right again. Sorry about all that. But we'll give Thomas a little bump of steam here. See if he still puffs a little bit. Usually he puffs a little after that. Well, I guess he ain't gonna. I'll give him a little more. Come on, Thomas, puff for us. Oh, there's a little puff. The smoke solution, which is kind of like a glycol, it's used for like parties and that. It's pretty safe stuff, but it's got like a perfume to it. I don't like it, so I'll probably change back to the normal stuff. But anyhow, here's Thomas making his first move forward. And that's as far as I go right now. So as long as I got the 24 volts on, electric brake is off as soon as I shut it back off. And it's real easy to disconnect everything and shut it back down. I could shut off to 24, shut off to 12, and oh, Thomas is stuck looking to the right. His right. So anyhow, that's where we're at today. I ordered a new controller. It says it'll be here tomorrow. We'll see. But anyhow, okay, enjoy. Hope this doesn't go to kids only, because I know a lot of other people like watching and commenting. So, okay, go ahead, give me a thumbs up if you like this. Thank you. Bye.